Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're doing a really great slow cooker dish. Do it in a crock pot. It's a cracked chicken in a crock pot. And we're going to do that. Boy, that's hard to say. That's a tongue pull right there. Try to say crock pot cracked chicken 3 times real fast. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how we do that. We're going to do that right now. Okay, we got our ingredients here, and what we're going to do, we got about 2 pounds of chicken breast. We're just going to put them in the bottom of our crock pot here, our slow cooker. Now, I got 4 chicken breasts. You can actually use just 3 if you want. I'm just going to set that over out of the way. Next thing we're going to do, we got a chicken in there. We got some ranch seasoning mix. We're going to open it up, and we're just going to sprinkle it all over our chicken. Just a whole packet, just 1 packet. Sprinkle it in on top of our chicken. I'll show you how we got that just sprinkled in on top of our chicken. We're going to take 16 ounces of cream cheese, 2 sticks of cream cheese. We're just going to put them in right on top of our ranch there. And we have 8 pieces of bacon here, 8 slices of bacon, cooked, drained, and crumbled. Now, if you don't have or don't want the food with cooking the bacon, you can use bacon bits. It just won't give you the same flavor, but you do want to put your bacon in. If you're using real bacon, you want to put it in at this point because it'll add flavor to your chicken. If you're using the bacon bits, you can put it in after your chicken cooks. But anyway, we're going to just rake our bacon bits in. Spread them around. Just sort of get them all over everything. Put this over here out of the way. Now, this is what it's going to look like. You can cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours, or you can cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put it on low for about 6 hours, and then once we get that done, then we'll bring you back and we'll show you the next step. But that's what we look like right now. So we'll be back in about 6 hours and show you the next step to it. Okay, we got our cracked chicken. It's been cooking, and you can see the steam coming off of it. It's cooked all the way through. What we're going to do now, we're going to take and shred it up. Now, you can take a couple of forks and shred it if you want to. I'm going to just use my mixer here. Just go on low speed with it, and it'll mix it up just fine. If you want to use a fork instead of your mixer, you can do that. But if you got a hand mixer, you can just use the hand mixer and shred it up. You can see how it's shredding it up real easy. Whole lot easier than doing it with a fork, 2 forks or whatever. Just use your hand mixer. Just go through it, get it shredded up good. Now, remember what we got in here. We got a pack of ranch seasoning. We got 2 sticks of cream cheese. We have 2 sticks of cream cheese, a pack of ranch seasoning, and we got 4 chicken breasts, and we got 8 pieces of bacon that we cooked and crumbled. Now, to that, we're going to add, we got some diced onions. We got about a ½ cup of diced onions, and we're going to add about 3/4 of them in. We're going to leave just a few there. And we got about 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, and we're going to add about 1 cup of cheese in there. And we're just going to I'm going to take this spoon and I'm going to rake this chicken off here some best I can. We may have to rake that on off, get all that out of our mixer there. Get it off of there. And what we're going to do, we're going to just stir in our cheese and our onion. And once we get that done, ought to be about good enough for that. Set that over out the way. I'm just going, that's hot. Forgot that was hot. We're just going to stir that in good. Get it mixed in good. You can see how we're mixing it in there. Just almost like kneading it. Got our cheese and stuff mixed in. And then what we're going to do, we're going to just sort of flatten it down. We got a clump of cheese right there. Don't need to get stirred in there. Almost missed that one. We're gonna flatten it down. Just get it flat on the top, all the way around. And we're gonna take the rest of our cheese, and we're just gonna sprinkle it over the top here, all around the top. Get us a good coat of cheese on it there. And then we're going to take the rest of our onions, and we're just going to sort of sprinkle them around on top there, just to get a garnish on it, more or less. Sort of spread them around a little bit. Don't want to touch it because that's hot. And what we're going to do, we're going to put a lid back on here. We're going to start this back up. We're going to put this, start this back up, and we're going to let it go for about 10 minutes till our cheese gets melted good and stuff, and then we'll bring you back at that point. Okay, we got our cracked chicken out. It's done, ready to go. We're gonna, now this here you can eat on a hamburger bun. You can eat it over mashed potatoes. You can eat it over pasta. You can eat it over rice. However you want to do it. We're gonna put some on hamburger buns here. You can see how that cheese is melted and stuff in there. We're gonna scoop some out. That's hot. We're gonna scoop some out here, and oh man, that looks good. Let me get me a hamburger bun here so I can spread some on there. That is looking good. I'm gonna set that down there just a second. We're gonna scoop out another one here. I can tell you already that's gonna be some good eating right there. We're gonna put us a bun on that, and we're gonna try to taste one of them if it ain't too hot here. Blow it a little bit. Man, she's hot, but she's good. Hey, yo, you gotta give this a try here. I ain't joking. This is good. I guarantee you that would be good just about any way. If you could just eat that just straight out of the bowl like that, and it would be good. Hey, if you will, give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you do. Appreciate all of you take time every day to watch our videos. Crockpot cracked chicken. We'll see you on the next one.